Alright, so the first thing you do when you draw a Dragon Ball eyes is you draw this little U shape. So make 2 lines here, then make a little bottom line, and then a line straight down the center, but make it halfway through. That's how you do it. Just gonna make my lines a little bit more clear here. And yeah, I think that's it. So next what you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna make 2 different lines right next to this W or U shape. Here. So these 2 lines. Then you're gonna wanna make a little slash where the end of the eyebrow is going to go. Now I'm gonna make that a little bit too close. You wanna make sure that these are the same distance apart from the U. Once you've done this, tilt your paper and make a line slightly going towards, but only a little bit upwards towards the U shape. Then make another line going halfway through to the U shape. Then make a bottom line going all the way through down to the slash. Then do the same thing on the other side. Once you've repeated the same thing on the other side, you then want to go to the end of the eyebrow and make a line down. And then make a line down about a pinky's length. Or, I don't really know how to explain that, but very close to the end of the eyebrow. And then make a little curved thing under it. Too big a eraser. Okay. Then, you don't want to make it a straight line, you want to make it more curved. So if yours looked like mine before, then you want to fix that. For the eyes, what you want to do is you want to go to the center of the eye and just put a little circle, a half circle inside here. I'm just measuring it. There. Then repeat the same thing on the other side. Once you have repeated it, now we can move on to the nose. That was pretty easy, right? Well, the next part is going to be even easier, and this part is going to be how to make Dragon Ball noses. The noses on a Dragon Ball character are 100% the easiest part. What you want to do is you just want to make a diamond shape. This is the easy way to do it. Make a diamond shape, put a little L inside the diamond shape, and then erase the top right corner. And that is how you make a Dragon Ball nose. But here's the harder way, which is really not that harder. You want to get a line, and you want to do a little curve, a line, and then an L. That is an example. I'm going to do another one right here. So, a line, a curve, and then another line, and an L. That's it. That's all there is to it. And you can put your shading in if you want, or you can even close it and put some shading in it. And yeah, that's pretty much how you make noses. Just gonna make a little eye here. Simple eye, yeah. See, that's just how you make a Dragon Ball nose. That's all for today's video. See you on the next one. Peace.